Hi guys, a question on, I think both of them, Telegram and Discord, talking about Cinnamon made me install Cinnamon. The best thing to analyze things is just to grab a computer or a virtual machine and install it from scratch, like it's clean install, and see what's going on without all the changes you've made over the years, right? So this is a clean install just recently, 30 seconds ago. And I've had simple screen recorder is now on there recording everything. But the point is, when things go south, so when things go wrong in Linux, and now I should say ArcoLinux, give it 3 days and it's solved. Don't waste time over it. Wait 3 days, update comes in, solved. 80% of the cases, right? Now, you can always investigate if you have time, if you want to have the energy, right? But otherwise, just sit it out, sit it out. But the point is, there is a message, and the message is this one. Problems during Cinnamon startup. Cinnamon started successfully, but one or more applets, desklets, extensions failed to load. Check your system log and the Cinnamon looking glass log for any issues. You can disable the offending extensions. So basically they're telling you the solution. You can disable offending extension in Cinnamon to prevent this message from occurring. Is it bad that this message is there? No. It's a nuisance? Sure, right? So looking glass, what's that? What are they talking about? They're talking about right mouse click, troubleshoot, looking glass. And that particular, which is now closed, was already open, looking glass is looking like this. It's mélangé, mixed, I don't know, mélange. It sounds like a French word. And you see, I've already clicked on the line where the issue is. So you've got this, results, inspect, Windows, and then you see I'm recording, simple screen recorder, extensions, that's the one. The sound. So we can try to launch it again and again and again. You'll see that there are other things in here. And as you see, there is something about a maximum volume not found in the scheme. So I guess I forgot something, or we forgot something, or they forgot something, right? We never really know, but we just sit it out. Now, if you don't want to see this message, something can be done, right? So in here, we have the possibility to add applets in Cinnamon, only Cinnamon. You have here a lot of choices. We need to scroll here. And the one that's the problem is the sound. So this one. I can say to the sound, stop working, and start working. See what happens down here. If I retry to start it, it is showing up something, poof, and it's gone, right? So it's crashing. So this is the one that should not be there. If you do minus, it will not be loaded, and you wait for the update and you check out a few, I don't know, days, maybe weeks. We do not control the packages of Cinnamon, right? What do you do in the meantime for sound? My best bet is Pavu Control. Has it all. It is really everything, right? It has all the settings, and this is the one I use in any tiling window manager. How will I record? What's the output? HDMI. Wow, how will I do the input? Via Rode AI -1, right? That's the microphone. Everything is here available. I do not need a button that says run display that, go back to this. I'll do that in the application itself. So there you go. Sit this one out, Pavu Control, see what updates will come up. If there's any change or anything we need to do, we'll make another video, but that's the fix for now. And maybe you've learned something about the looking glass. Cheers.